Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am going to try to finish this flower bed today. I have been working on this for about 3 weeks, going to different stores, trying to figure out the correct plant combination. But I finally realized that I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to go ahead and take what I have here and go ahead and finish doing this flower bed. So I wanted to get plants that were going to bloom throughout the year, some taller plants, some smaller plants, but there are so many different variety of plants and I didn't know one way or the other which way to go. Do y'all ever get confused where you don't know exactly what to do, so you just don't do anything? Well, that's where I was on this flower bed. I don't know what I'm doing, but I think what I have here will turn out pretty good once everything starts to grow. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, this is just one side, and I have 6 bags of rocks that I got because I wasn't sure of how many I needed. So this is how things are currently looking. So I need 2 more bags for over here and 8 bags for the other side. Thank y'all for watching.